Today I want to show you a trick that might help you to change the hot water tap without shutting down the main water valve. So in my case, I have this old water tap that is used for the dishwasher, and it's a pretty old one and really asks for the replacement. In this apartment, the shutoff valve is not working. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure there is no water here, and then we're gonna cut it, we're gonna put shark bite, and it's good to go. So because this is a hot water tap, there is a very likely, especially if it's a house, North America, or it's apartment, there is a water tank like this. I believe that the majority of the water tank, I hope so, they have a shutoff valve because they have to be replaced every 5 to 10 years. To replace them, you need to cut off the supply line, which is the cold water, and to disconnect it, you need to make sure there's no water in it. And quite often technicians don't have access to the main shutoff valve, so what they need to do is they have valve here, and this valve basically shuts down the cold water that goes inside of this tank. But what it also does, it shuts down the entire hot water system, which goes out from the tank. The moment that you shut off this valve, and that's what I already done, there's no pressure of the hot water in the system. But before you do it, very important part, you need to switch off the water tank. Now the next step is you open up this valve. So as usual, like in every old house or old apartment, maybe sometimes it's easier to replace everything. Well, not in this case. So I ended up having water still a little bit leaking because the valve isn't closing properly till the end. This is fine. We're gonna still proceed. In your case, I'm pretty sure that it will be closing in most cases. So just to be clear, you don't stop your project if this happens. Make sure that you keep other hot water taps open or valves open so you don't create pressure, and then you proceed. So in my case, I have just enough space to fit shark bite, which is good. If I did not, well, I would have to cut it here. So I would remove this paint, cut it here, and rebuild the whole system. I use 220 grit sandpaper to make sure that I don't remove a lot of copper. And then I'll put shark bite. When you put it with the water running, open it up. Do not create a pressure. Shark bites can be put on the wet pipes as long as you properly prepare them, and that's my main case here. Here's your shark bite. Slide it in. That's pretty much it. Now, see the water is running? Let's close it. Okay. See, the water is staying a little bit there, but there are no leaks. Okay, so the water is running now. No leaks. Hot water. Okay, no leaks. So this is how you would change your old, see, it's pretty old, water tap for your dishwasher or anything within the house where the hot water running when you have access to the beep that closes off, or the shutoff valve that closes the cold water to your water tank. Thanks guys for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Cheers!